Shnong Lawjynriew hak arpu pratrik luber arjar punriu kalau play perda ya ke jingraki dap shispa san post nam jongka berhabaro shisnam ke jingraki kindon ki program beper ki bekum ke dor ba Shnong galapan kre. Hakani kesngi ya ke jing play perda lawan bansaki lang do konrad ke sangma umentri rangba ke jela kumu kongsan haringkat ke jing don lang uba lakmen remboy umentri ketanat pule uba Charles Pingrove MLA nanong thamai uba Winston Tony Lingdo MDC nanong thamai bod Chief Executive Member ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kinong elam Shnong lem kinong shong Shnong. Umentri rangba ke jela ulapan bana lai paulak tingka na ke Chief Minister's Special Development Fund syaka Shnong banyarap hakijing don kam beper. Shushu hakani kesngi umentri rangba ulapli pajba ru bon legi project hak Shnong kom ki CCTV ki prat legi signage hak leng ke Shnong ka website but dashboard. Nalor ki program beper ki noi lambat ki riu rangba na ke Shnong ki lasapun ko buram hak dor ba Shnong lengba umentri rangba bat ki wei ki bayadon lang.
It is truly a privilege for me to be present here today as we mark a very historic and momentous occasion, the celebration of 150 years of Dorbar Shnong Lawjynriew. At the very outset, I thank the Almighty and extend my heartfelt congratulations to the entire community on reaching this remarkable milestone. Friends, the story of Lawjynriew is not just a story of a locality. It is a story deeply connected with the growth of Shillong and the history of our state. From its early days under the traditional governance of Hima Milim to its formal land registration in 1876, this locality has stood the test of time. What is most inspiring is how the people of Lawjynriew have preserved their identity while embracing change in this very fast-moving world of ours. From a settlement rooted in tradition, it has grown into a vibrant and cosmopolitan community, welcoming people from different parts of the country, especially students from across the Northeast. It is heartening to note that we have with us two of the oldest members of the locality, Kongbi Karmalki, who is around 98 years old, and Ba T.S. Mautho, who is about 95 years old. And he was the first Rangbadong of Lum Balang. They are revered elders of the community, and truly their presence out here is a source of inspiration for each and every one of us. While we applaud Kong Khalmarki and Bamauto, we also bow our heads with reverence to the first settlers of Lawjynriew. It is because of them that this place is what it is today. Among the early settlers, the most prominent figure was Kong S. Karkongar, who's fondly remembered for her pivotal role in the establishment and early development of the Shnong. We also remember Badi Kyrwoh, who was the first Rangba Shnong of Lawjynriew, while we were still under the British rule. The motto of the Dorbar Shnong, and please excuse me if I get the pronunciation incorrect, Tinre Ning Pene Katong Ni Be, upholding our foundation roots and striving towards our vision. I hope that generations to come will uphold it in their hearts, leaving behind footprints of honor for those who follow. I must say that Lawjynriew is a very, very forward-looking locality. Lawjynriew holds the distinction of being one of the first localities to introduce a door-to-door garbage collection system. This initiative reflects constructive approach to sanitation, public health, and environmental responsibility. This achievement was realized despite being outside the jurisdiction of the Shillong Municipal Board, demonstrating the locality's strong self-governance and community-driven development.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.